I'm so glad you're here. Welcome to the wonderful land of Oz. Inside this land of Oz, we have our own university known as the Emerald City University. This journey is starring your host and guide, the one and only Witch of the West, aka myself, Mrs. Hatch. You have been accepted into the Emerald City University. Let me show you a map of our country to familiarize yourself. Emerald City University is right in the center of the Emerald City. The Emerald City is right in the center of the Land of Oz. The Land of Oz is right in the center of the Deadly Desert. And the Deadly Desert is right in the center of the Magical Kingdom. You will be learning from many different professors this year. And I want you will meet a new professor each month. Your first professor is, drumroll please, the Cowardly Lion.
I'd show him who was king of the forest. How? Courage. What makes a king out of a slave? Courage. What makes a flag on a mast to wave? Courage. What makes the elephant charge his tusk in the misty mist or the dusky dusk? What makes the muskrat guard his musk? Courage. What makes the sphinx the seventh wonder? Courage. What makes the dawn come like thunder? Courage. What makes the hot tub so hot? What puts the apron apricot? What have they got that I ain't got? Courage, you could say that again.
What is courage? Courage is the ability to do something that is out of your comfort zone. Now that's important for this year, guys, because you are going to need to exhibit a lot of courage. We are all trying some new things with distance learning and face-to-face and wearing masks and making sure that we all stay healthy. And on top of all of that, we still have to go to school. And so I am asking a lot of you to take responsibility for your education. Take responsibility for being engaged in the things that we are learning. This is going to be one of the funnest years you will ever have. But in order to make that happen, you have to have courage. You are going to be asked to be doing some things that make you kind of uncomfortable, maybe make you a little scared, because you have to present to the whole class, or you have to present on a Zoom or a Google Meet meeting. These things are important, and you will have so much fun earning points and rewards and being engaged in our lessons. But like I said, you have to have courage. You can choose courage or you can choose comfort, but you cannot choose both. So what are you going to choose?